Good afternoon, folks. Hope you're having a good day. I'm in a video recording mood today, and I have something that I think is very interesting and actually is a very good edible for anybody's food forest or garden. Now, I'm in the understory of some oaks right now, and that is where the spiraling ginger is supposed to do well. Now, I received these in the mail. They seem to be establishing, and I planted them approximately 2 weeks ago. This one shot this shoot out, brand new shoot, so I'm excited about that. And this one I think is going to shoot a new shoot out very soon. At least it needs to anyway. But to my understanding, these will start to multiply rapidly, and when they flower, you can eat the flowers right as they're coming out. So stay tuned, as I will be providing updates and progress reports on these. And these spiraling gingers are going to add some beauty to the landscape. My expectation is that they will complement my Flaming Torch bromeliads patch. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.